Hi guys, hope you all are well. I haven't made a video in a while, so let me just give you an update on what's today. I want to talk about what's happening at Luxurytime. I want to talk about the Moonswatches that I finally got my hands on and where the current watch market is at the moment. So to start it all off, if you guys want to get in touch with any of our sales guys, we have Adriaan in Stellenbosch, we have Shane, which is a new addition to the Luxurytime team. He is currently in the Luxurytime CBD office, which is in the Luno building in Cape Town. You can get a hold of him. And for Port Elizabeth, I don't even know how to say the new name, you can get in touch with Marius, which is Adriaan's brother. And finally in Durban, you can get in touch with Marvin. I will have Casey link all their Instagram accounts and telephone numbers in on this video. So a lot of questions that I've also been getting is where is the watch market at the moment, or what's the future holding. A lot of guys say that it's absolutely crashing. It's still not the case. The market is not crashing. The prices, what I've seen on the dealer groups that I am on the international groups, is that the pricing is actually starting to slightly pick up again. But that's probably because of the weak rand at the moment. I think the rand is trading at around about 17.70 to the dollar, which is crazy high. So that just hiked all the prices again of what the watches were 2-3 weeks ago. So just to give you an update what we are currently paying for watches, this is what we're paying today on the 22nd of September 2022. A wrist check, I forgot to do that. What I'm wearing is a Ulysses Nardin Maxi Marine, quite a cool watch. Okay, so currently I'm just going to use about 5 models that is traded often, and it's the best ones that you can guide the market on. So currently what we are paying on the 126610 LV model, I'll also ask Casey to link in the watches on this, is the Rolex, they know it as the Starbucks, with a green bezel, black dial, 41mm. We are currently paying 270 to 280,000 on that watch. I'm only paying that amount of money. It's still a lot over retail. I think retail is 160 or 150. So you're still getting over 100,000 profit if you got it at retail. But we've got 3 of them in stock at the moment. So if we didn't have stock, we would buy them in at 300,000, 300 to 310. But we've got 3 in stock at the moment. They are available on our website. The next one is the 126610 LN, which is the normal 41 stainless steel date Submariner. That one we're currently paying 230 to 240,000. On the Rolex Batmans, we are currently paying 300,000 to 320,000, all depending on the bracelet, if it's the Jubilee or the Oyster. On the Pepsi, we are paying 330 to 360, or it's also again bracelet dependent. On the Rolex ceramic steel Daytonas, the 116-500s, we are currently paying around 500 to 530,000 on a white panda dial. If you have a black dial, round about 470,000. And then on the new Rolex deep sea models, we pay around about 20,000 over their retail prices. I think the black retails at around about 215 or 220,000. We pay 20,000 on top of retail on that watch. Okay, and moving on, we finally got, or I got my hands on these Moonswatches. I was overseas recently and I actually stood in the queue with my wife. We stood there for around about an hour and a half to get a watch, and you guys asked me, can you get them? Yeah, yes, you can actually get them at the Swatch shop here in South Africa in Sandton. But what I've heard, the watches there's only a limited amount of watches that goes to the store. So apparently you have to call the store, make an appointment and then go. I can't see that you have to do that for a Swatch, but that's just what some of the guys have told me. I've actually got quite a few watches from the Swatch store that guy's purchase that they came to sell to us. I paid these watches in South Africa retail for apparently 4,900. I paid 7,000 for the Mission to Mars, 7,000 for this one, and the Mission to Mercury is apparently the more sought after one. This one I paid 10,000 Rand for. Currently I'm not selling them, we are giving them away as competition or in prizes. So is it worth getting the watch? Yes, I'd say definitely try and get it from the store. I loved it. When the watches first came out, I didn't like it, or I thought it was like a toy. It is basically an expensive toy watch. It's not a really high-end watch, but it's definitely worth the money. I would recommend it. It's probably the best watch to start off with if you want to start your watch journey. Let me just open one of the boxes and show you the quality of them. And with regards to like why did I pay over retail for this watch, it's purely because I don't have the time to go wait in the queue. If you have to wait in a queue for every single watch, it's 3 watches is 6 hours of your day. So I'd rather pay 2,000 Rand over retail for them and just get them when we want them. This is the Mission to Mars. To me, this is probably the nicest one of them all. I've not actually seen the Moon one. The Moon one is also one of the popular ones that everyone wants. But the quality is really nice. It feels good. I mean, for 4,500 Rand, you really can't you really can't expect much more for that. This is the, you know, this color blue everyone calls Tiffany blue at the moment, just because of what happened to the Patek and Tiffany collaboration. So what I've done with my ones that I got, I put on Horus straps. You guys have probably seen it on Instagram and you ask me where do I get the straps. That is from Horus. It's very nice, but take into account this, the Horus strap is about 3,500 Rand. The watch is 4,000 Rand, so then you're turning your watch into a 10,000-12,000 Rand watch. And the last one that I have here is the Mission to Mercury. Very cool. Okay guys, so as I've told you in the beginning of the video, I've got a new office open in Cape Town in the CBD. It's run by Shane. Please get in contact with him or get in contact with all our sales guys at the different branches. If you want to buy or sell a watch, we can send a watch to any of the branches. You can go and view them there and then decide if you want to buy them. If you also want to sell and you don't want to send the watches directly to the Gauteng office like we've worked all the years, you feel more comfortable meeting someone face to face, is just go into the branch, meet one of the sales guys there and do the whole sell your watch process can start there. Another thing that we are looking at for all of our clients that are in Joburg that does not like driving to Pretoria, I'm also looking to open up an office in Sandton, so keep an eye on that. Hope to have that open by the end of the year, but we'll keep you guys posted. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel. I know I haven't put out a lot of videos lately, but we've been very busy behind the scenes. Some really exciting stuff that's happening at Luxurytime, and I can't wait to share it with you. Cheers.